everyone, good morning. In our previous class, we studied some figures which are stand on same base and between same parallel line. Now, we are given one theorem on parallelogram which are standing on the same base and between same parallels. Now, Theorem 9.1, it is given that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. It is given that parallelogram ABCD and EFCD standing on the same base DC and between same parallel DC and AF. We have to prove that area of ABCD is equal to area of EFCD. Now we take, for proof, we take two triangle ADE and BCF. Now this triangle, we show that they are congruent. How? By angle side congruency. Angle A is equal to angle B. Because AD is parallel to BC and AF is the transversal. So, A is equal to B is equal to corresponding angle. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to corresponding angle. Again, DE and CF are parallel and AF is the transversal. So, angle E is equal to angle F. This is also corresponding pair of angles. So, angle E is equal to angle F, and you can take any side. AD is equal to BC, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So, by angle side, we can prove that angle ADE is equal to BCF. Now, adding and again in congruent triangle have equal area. So, area of ADE is equal to area of BCF. Now, in both sides, we add this area BCDE. Adding both sides BCDE, we get ADE plus BCDE, we get ABCD, and BCF plus BCDE, we get EFCD. So, area of ABCD is equal to area of EFCD. This is the proof. Now, we go to the exercise 9.2. It is given that in the figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given that AB is equal to 16 and AE is perpendicular to CD and CF is perpendicular to AD. AB is equal to 16 centimeter and AE is equal to 8 centimeter and CF is equal to 10 centimeter. We have to find AD. Now, since AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram, so CD is equal to 16 centimeter. Now, area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to base into altitude. Taking CD as base, area of ABCD is equal to CD into AE. 16 into 8, 128 centimeter square. Now, taking AD as base, area of ABCD is equal to AD into CF. Now, already we find the area of ABCD that 128 centimeter square. So, AD into CF is equal to 128 centimeter square. CF is equal to 10 given. CF is equal to 10 centimeter, it is given. So, AD into CF is equal to area of ABCD. AD into 10 is equal to 128 centimeter square. Therefore, AD is equal to 128 divided by 10 centimeter. This is AD is equal to 12.8 centimeter. Next class, we will do the other sum. Thank you.